In this DIY, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a wine rack with a difference. I'm making use of a 69mm plain or round timber post, cut to 750mm long. You can use whatever size timber you prefer. Here's what I used: tape measure, a pencil, a powerful drill or a drill press, a 32mm spade bit, a sander, some wood sealer, a paintbrush, and you can use some nail and anchors to secure it to the wall. I'm marking out the center points with an offset of 50mm for each hole that's going to be used to hold the neck of the wine bottle. I'm not going to go in the center of the 69, but I'm actually going to go down 30mm, leaving me a balance of around about 39 to 40mm on the other side. That slight offset will allow enough clearance between the wall and the wine bottles. Clamp the post and a sacrificial piece of timber to the underside of the timber between your worktop. Ensure the post is secured tightly to the scrapboard to prevent the breakout at the bottom of the timber, especially as the drill bit passes through the timber. I'm using a 32mm spade bit and a tough cordless drill. A drill press is ideal should you have access to one. An old trick is to use some masking tape to act as an indicator to measure the depth that you actually want the drill bit to go. As that drill bit goes all the way down, as the tape touches the top section, you'll see the sawdust being brushed away and you'll know you're at the correct depth. Once all the holes are drilled, sand down the post to remove any splinters, sharp or rough edges. It's now time to stain and seal the wine rack to suit your taste and match the setting for the wine rack. I'm using Fired Earth Woodworks burnt brown wood sealer for this project. I also made one previously where I used my own stain by soaking steel wool in vinegar for about 2 to 3 hours. I then painted the post with the solution, and as it dries the timber seems to oxidize to that grey weathered look. You can repeat the process if you want to enhance the effect. Once the post is dry, drill 6mm clearance holes in the top and the bottom, and this will allow you to secure it to a wall using some nail-in anchors. When drilling into a masonry wall, make sure you use a masonry bit with the drill set to the hammer action. Now that's it for this DIY. You can follow these exact steps or you can make some changes to suit your style and preferences. Remember, there are detailed clips of the tools I've used on the product pages of our builder's website. If you enjoyed this DIY, we'd love to see and hear your feedback. Like it, share it with your friends and family. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel where there are numerous clips and DIYs to keep you busy and entertained.